Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do Leetcode weekly challenge. First question: count elements with maximum frequency. So you are given an array nums consisting of positive integers. Return the total frequency of element in num such that those elements all have maximum frequency. The frequency of an element is the count is the number of occurrences of that element in the array. So basically, this question, we are required to return the total frequency and that also of those frequencies which are occurring at the highest rate. Basically, there is one number and it is having one frequency, and we are required to first check that which is the highest frequency, and then out of that highest frequency, then we need to check that how many number of time that highest frequency is occurring, and that is what we are required to return. So this is the thing which we are required to do with this particular question. Now, in this particular example, if we see that 1 is occurring 2 times, then 2 is occurring 2 times, 3 is occurring 1 time, and 4 is occurring 1 time, right? So here we can see that 2 frequency which is there, that is occurring 2 times, and that is the highest occurrence of this frequency as well. So the element 1 and 2 have a frequency of 2, which is the maximum frequency in the array, and so the number of elements in the array with frequency maximum frequency is 4. This 1 2 3 4 5, every number is distinct, right? So the highest frequency here is 1, and the number of times that frequency occurring is 5 times, so that's why we are returning 5 as the answer. So for this question, the most intuitive thing which comes into mind is by taking some space, by taking some extra space and then using that and accordingly just returning the answer. That is how now also we are going to do. So basically how we would be going to do is, here we are taking one unordered map where we will be storing the number and its frequency. Then we are taking a map which will basically store the count of that particular frequency. So here, first I'm storing that number with its frequency. Then I'm taking that particular map, and here I will be storing the frequency, basically the number of times that particular frequency is occurring. And then in that particular, I'll check that if that particular that particular frequency is less than my present, right? Then I will make this particular count as equals to this, and my answer equals to I dot second into I dot first. Basically, the frequency and number of time that frequency has occurred, that, and that would be my answer. So this is how we are going through this particular question. And now comes the part for time complexity. So time complexity, here you can see order of n. This is also order of n, and this is also order of n. So the total time complexity becomes order of n. And the space complexity, here we are using extra spaces, so that is also order of n, because here at max n elements could be stored. Here also at max n elements could be stored. So that's why space complexity, time complexity both becomes order of n. So this was all for this particular question. If you have any doubt, you could comment that down. So this was all. Thank you.